sulfur is probably the #1 product for that.
And just remembering, it's not curing your allergies, it's just giving your body what it needs so that it can properly respond to allergens that are in the environment.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
So the key is have a sweet personality, but a bitter body, right?
Bitter blood, sweet personality.
Exactly. Okay, who in here has tried alkaline water? Okay, quite a few of you. Those that haven't, I expect that you're going to today sometime. I'm going to ask you another question. Who in here knows your pH level? Raise your hand if you know your pH. Whoa, there's maybe a dozen, 10 of you. Who knows your cholesterol level? Okay, more of you. All right. Who knows your blood type? More of you. Probably the most important number you need to know is your pH. You saw Dr. Lindsay talk about what acid does to your body, and if you don't even know where you are, then you don't know where to go from here, right? So it's really important that you understand your pH level. You can go to your local health food store, you can order pH strips online. It's just a litmus test, and you can very easily test your pH level. You want to do it in the morning when you first get up, and then measure a couple times throughout the day just so you can get a balanced reading. Very, very important. Test your urine level as well so that you know your pH. So most people are acidic and they don't even know it, and as you heard, acidity contributes to a lot of different types of diseases. So one way that you can counteract that is to make sure that your water is at least pH balanced, if not slightly alkaline. Now if you have a very acidic body, it's important that you drink a more alkaline water so that you can bring that pH level up, and to drink a lot of it. And again, start out with just one glass a day when you first start out. I have several different samples here. I'm going to very quickly go through this demonstration and not do the entire thing. I have tap water from the facility here. I have Aquafina, Dasani, Smart Water, Fiji, and I've got some Sprite over here. Other than this Sprite, who drinks one of these waters here? Okay. Smart Water is my go-to, and still is, but I just bring this with me instead. And I already poured these in the essence of time, but if you want to do a demonstration like this in your own home, they like to hear the crack of the seal, so you can see they can see that you're not tampering with any of this, and then pour the water in the glasses here. So you can see that I just poured the same water into this glass, and I'm going to quickly show you the pH of this water. Oops, I think I put an extra drop in there. Okay, so you can see that this is kind of a yellow color. If I put a few more drops in there, it'll get more bright. And you can see on the chart here, so this is very acidic. Yellow equals acidic, right? Kind of looks like usually we use 7-Up, that one's Sprite, the 7-Up is yellow.
Can you put the chart up on the big screen?
Sure. This is the tap water here. This is not too bad. This is the Dasani Smart Water. What do you think of the Smart Water now? Probably about 5 oh, nope, it's getting a little bit greener. So between 5 and 6, not too bad. Fiji is actually, from a pH level, a little bit better. See? Look at that. Nicer blue color, a little bit less than the tap water over there. Let's take a look at see if we can get Sprite to change color here. Can't do this with colas because you can't see a color. All right, so there you see. All of these waters, with the exception of these two, are very acidic. And this is still a little bit on the acidic side here, the Fiji. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add alkaline water concentrate to one of these samples, okay? Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Immediate. And you really don't even need to stir it. It penetrates immediately.
Now that's chemistry.
Look at that.
That's
Even without stirring
basic.
it.
That's basic, simple chemistry. Water's going from harmful, acidic, to life-giving, beneficial, alkaline in less than 1 second.
Let's do this one here. You can get it even a little bit better there. So would you agree that all of these waters have improved in pH? Okay. Well, let me show you this one here. Let's see if we can get this to change. This is a soda. I'm going to keep squirting. Do you think I'm going to see any change here? Probably not. So it is very difficult to alkalize something that is so incredibly acidic. You would actually have to drink about 10 glasses, about 32 glasses of 10.0 pH. This gets you to about 8. 10.0 pH, about 30 glasses to neutralize what you just drank from this soda. Think about that the next time you have a soda. You better be